Astronomers recently saw the biggest explosion ever seen in the universe. It was even larger than any supernova, which happens when a star is about to die. When a star's core collapses, it causes a massive explosion. In just a few seconds, this explosion can release more energy than the sun emits in its entire lifetime. The brightness of this explosion was incredible, reaching 2 trillion times that of our sun. They named it at 2020 UX, and it lasted for 3 years. The Zwicky Transient Facility in California first noticed it. Luckily, Earth was far from the explosion, about 8 billion light years away, so it didn't affect us.